Welcome back, everybody. This is part 3 of our pro debut pack opening. We got 3 random packs from our local card shop of Pro Debut 2023. This came out in the middle of October, I believe. This focuses on minor league players. Picked up 3 packs for $3 per pack. Hobby box is around $70. We're looking for autos. There's 4 autos per hobby box, so we got a 1 in 10 shot of getting an auto. Let's get into it. Again, these packs focus on minor league teams, so MLB stars or MLB players in the minor league, so you'll see minor league teams here on these cards. I have a parallel there. It looks like a blue card. That's nice because that's our top Chrome card. We got Kyle. I haven't recognized these players' names. Similar to like Bowman Chrome, where you get the prospects in the minor leagues. These are minor league players. Let's see what we got. It looks cool. Blue foil Cole Young. And a blue refractor. Serial numbered, nice, to 150, okay. And we got Tucker in our Topps Chrome. So this is the biggest hit of our 3-pack series here. We got Cole Young of the Modesto Nuts in the Pro Debut, serial numbered to 150. No autos. We did get a serial number card, so that's nice. All right. Let me know what you think. Was that a good investment of $9? I was hoping for an auto, didn't get an auto, but we did get a serial numbered card and a Drew Jones that was nicked up. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.